Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. Today I have something a little different. It is my November Ipsy Ultimate, but it lagging has nothing to do with me, nothing. It has everything to do with the fact that the post office really didn't want me to have this box. This is actually the second one. So much time went by that Ipsy sent me out a second box. And I think they said that when they shipped the second box, there was actually something they were out of. So I got a credit. So this will probably only be 11 items. Since it's back from November, I'm going to try and go through it real quickly. But I hate for you guys because I know that usually the month prior or the month before that, a lot of the things that were in those boxes start showing up in add-ons. So I like to show you guys what these things look, feel, smell like in case you want to think about getting them in add-ons. So let's roll through this really quickly. If you are new to Ipsy, Ipsy is a beauty subscription box. They have, well, I guess technically they now have 3 boxes, but you're only going to have 2 a month. This, nope, not this because this is my November. I have my December Ultimate still coming, but that will be the last Ultimate. In January, there will be no Ultimate going forward. In the month of January, they will technically only have 2 bags, the regular and the plus. And then starting in February, they are adding the Glam X bag, but it is not going to be a bag that you get on its own. It's going to be a bag, and I'm not sure if I understand this right. I will try and let you guys know below if I can find out better information. Everything that I got made it sound like you had to have a plus and you could upgrade your plus by $30 and turn it into a Glam X every 3rd month, kind of like we do with Boxy Luxe. I don't know if you can do that from your original bag also. It didn't offer me, when I got the email from them, it wasn't like, would you like to make your original bag a Glam X? It asked me if I wanted to make my plus a Glam X. So if you have a regular bag out there and they've made you the offer too, how about letting us know below? Okay, I'm gonna open this up. And that is what it looks like on the inside. And that is my November Ultimate. And I just want to take everything out of the box to make this easier and quicker because I really do want to make this quicker than my usual Ultimate. And it's interesting to me that when it's your regular box, they just kind of chuck everything in. But since this one was done as a resend box, everything is actually in my bag, just like if it was an original Ipsy, except for the 2 things that wouldn't fit. So that's kind of interesting. I still have what I printed out when I thought I was going to be unboxing this a month ago, so I can give you a little bit of information. All right, I just took everything out of the bag and I'm not sure yet what I'm missing, but I went ahead and took everything out of the bag. I knew I was going to be missing 1 item. I'll tell you when I get to it, and they gave me a $5 credit for that. But first of all, we have this, and it is the Midflower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask. I have 1. This is supposed to be a set of 3. So right away, I know I am missing 2 masks. When it was a set of 3, it said that it was $15, so we'll assume, easy math, that this is a $5 mask, and it says no sheet mask struggles here. This mask is made with a lightweight elastic fiber that'll fit all face shapes. When it comes to hydrating skincare ingredients, nothing is more effective than hyaluronic acid. The super humectant can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Hyaluronic acid isn't just a hydrator, it's an anti-ager too. It infuses your skin with moisture to temporarily plump fine lines and smooth wrinkles. Okay, so I'm missing 2 masks. Okay, so next I have a Nanette Lepore Colors of Nanette. I'm not going to spray this. I have already had this, so I will set it aside for a giveaway. But it is her Colors of Nanette, and it is a big perfume. The samples on the Nanette Lepore are huge, but I have already had this, so I'm not going to spray it. It is a lovely scent, but I receive so many perfumes that I love that I'm gonna go ahead and pass this one along. And this was not something that I was supposed to receive. So this is just something that they added in place. I guess when we're done, we'll know what I didn't receive. Next, I have an IT Confidence in a Gel Lotion, and this is oil-free for all skin types. And I will also put this in a giveaway. I can't use the IT products because they put licorice in them and I'm allergic to licorice. So I will set this aside, and I have no information on this either because this was also not in my original bag. And then last, so it seems to be these samples that they just sampled out other things, which fair enough, you're just trying samples. I have a Douce Phlegmatic Highlighter. And that is what it looks like. I'm gonna get in here because that color looks fantastic. This was also not on my list, but it is super pretty and I am not sad about it. It will fit in a Z palette if you have one. And that's what it looks like. It's just, you know, to put in your Z palette. Oh, it's very pretty. It's a little more gold than I thought, but it's really pretty. It's subtle but can blend. I put it right here. Hope that's showing. That's what that looks like. It's a really pretty color. I actually think, and I say this so much with highlighters, I know, but I actually think I would like that on the inner corners of my eyes when I do my makeup. That's what I like so many highlighters for. I just have such a small eye space that I really have to add some brightness and lightness to the inner half of my lid so that when I'm open, I just need some brightness there to open up my eye space. Anyway, that's why I use so many highlighters there. So as best I can tell from looking at my paperwork, I was gonna have a Crabtree and Evelyn Raw Instinct scent, which was a perfume. So I guess that's why they did the Nanette Lepore. And then I was gonna have an H2O Plus Hydration Oasis Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. So instead I got the IT Gel Moisturizer. And I was going to have a Milani Cosmetics Make It Last Charcoal Setting Spray. And I didn't get that, but I did get this, oh right, I looked it up, it's Deuce. I did get this Deuce highlighter. So that's what I got instead of my other samples. I think with my full-size products, I actually got what I was originally gonna get, so let's just move forward. Maybe that's how they do it. First, I have an Illamasqua Lippie. It is Loaded Lip Polish in Glaze, and that is what that looks like. And this says, this isn't your average lip gloss. The ultra shiny formula gives lips mirror-like shine in a single swipe. It is full size. It has a $25 value. What? It is a glaze. It is perfectly clear. I have on a matte lip today, so let's just lay it right over it and see what happens. Oh, very nice. Can you tell my lower lip? It's just got some nice shine to it. Of course, now my paddle has got that nice color to it, but that's always gonna happen with a lip gloss you put over lippies. I like it. It has no scent. I smell absolutely nothing. Okay, next I have from Filorga Optimize Intensive Revitalizing 3-in-1 Eye Contour Cream for dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. A check, check, and check. It says hyaluronic acid plus 50 ingredients. That is interesting to me that they are bragging about 50 ingredients. I'm usually really taken with the brands that have fewer ingredients. Is that just me? Let me know below what you guys think about that. This is half an ounce. Let me see if I can use it because it's even got an overwrap on it, which by the way, that is what that looks like. But I want to be able to give it away if I can't use it. I can get in here. This is something I can use, and I will give anything a try that says it is good for dark circles. When we get it out of the box, this is what it looks like. It looks really cool. It's got one of the twist ups. Oh, look, you can watch it. Oh, how am I going to show that? There we go. See how it lifts up from the bottom? That's kind of cool. And that's what it looks like on my hand. It's really kind of thick. I like that. Oh, nope. It looked really thick, but once I start rubbing it in, it has a really nice under eye texture. Smells very nice, just kind of clean, and I like that a lot. Here's hoping that this really does away with under eye circles. It says, a good eye cream is something we always have within reach because stress, late nights, and life happens, and our under eyes are the first to show it. This is a $49 retail value. Next I have from MAC the Cream Sheen Lipstick in Sweet Sakura. And that is what that looks like. It looks like it's gonna be a nice reddish color. Let's see if it's orange red or blue red. You know, I still see the MAC bullets and they make me happy. These go back for forever, you know. I don't know, there's something about them that just feels really classic to me. Oh, it looks kind of, it's right on the edge. It looks kind of blue-red. That is really, I think I have to risk it. Oh, oh, so pretty. It's not nearly as red as I thought it was gonna be. It almost has like a pink undertone. I like it a lot. So that's what it looks like. And that is so pretty. I will totally wear it. I'm so happy. All right. This says, feel intimidated by a full-on red lip? This sheer red lipstick from MAC is the perfect place to start. One swipe gives you a soft wash of true red with a semi-gloss finish and a hint of pretty gold pearl. Oh, it is kind of... I saw the gold pearl and I was afraid that, remember I used the highlighter over here? I was afraid I had smeared through it, so I didn't mention the gold pearl because I thought it was an error. It is not gold pearl. It wears like a lipstick but feels comfortable, like a creamy, hydrating balm, so you get the best of both worlds. I am very happy with this. You'll be seeing this in a video very soon. And if I didn't mention it, it had a $19 value. Next, from Milk Makeup, we have the Matcha Cleanser. So this is a cleanser stick. Well, I have to tell you, the ingredients are on the bottom. Even with my glasses on, that is too small for me to read. I cannot read that. So we're just gonna open it and hope for the best. Out of its little tube, that is what it looks like. And it's definitely a matcha green and it is a matcha cleanser and exfoliant. Let's see what it feels like so we'll know how exfoliating it is and what it smells like. Oh, it's fresh. It's kind of green like the matcha, but mostly it's just a really fresh scent. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna put it right on the back of my hand beside that lipstick. A slightly green tinge to it. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't feel any exfoliant in it. It feels very smooth to me. So I don't know if it's a chemical or physical exfoliation. Without adding water, I can't tell anything. It's just, but it does have a really nice, fresh, clean scent. I like that. I hope once I read the ingredients that I can actually try this because that feels really cool. And the paperwork said, in case you missed it, Stick Skincare is having a moment, and we're totally obsessed with the solid twist-up cleanser. The hero ingredient, matcha, detoxifies, purifies, and exfoliates to leave your skin clear and free of pore, clogging, dirt, excess oil, and dead skin cells. It is 1 ounce and $28. That is only 1 ounce? It is. That seems like a lot to me. Next in my list is what I did not receive, and it was the Ultra by Use Me Instant Repair Hair Mask and CBD. So that's what I didn't get, and because they couldn't ship me that, they gave me a $5 credit, and it was CBD's magical benefits don't just stop at skincare. Its repairing and revitalizing properties are ideal for breathing new life into dry, damaged hair. Darn it, I would have really liked that. It had a $38 value. Next, I have the Cottage Greenhouse Pomegranate Facial Serum, and that is what that looks like. I think I have this and I think it is open. I just looked over because I wasn't sure if it was on my shelf or downstairs. I think I have it downstairs. So I'm not gonna open this one so that I can give it away, but that is what it looks like. I love the look of this. It is so pretty. You know, it has that old apothecary look to it, which I think, of course, I have no idea what your home looks like, but sitting on my vanity in my home, it looks really pretty. This says winter is coming, which means your skin is going to need all the moisture and TLC it can get in the months ahead. Made with 100% natural pomegranate oil, this serum deeply hydrates skin while protecting it with antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory evening primrose and lavender oil work together to reduce redness, blotchiness, and irritation, giving you a natural glow. I definitely need to dig mine out because that sounds like everything that I need. I don't know if you guys can see, but the glass thing must not be seated in here, and I'm not going to take it out because, like I said, I want to be able to do a giveaway, but it's kind of boop. So this must be a sample because it is small, and this must have been instead of, didn't I say that I was supposed to get a setting spray by Milani? Let me check. Yes, I was supposed to have a Make It Last charcoal setting spray from Milani, but I got a Koki Fix It Up Mini Matte setting spray, and I think that I just got this in another box, so let me see. Yes, this looks very familiar, so I'm not going to spray this. But so this is another sample. So I thought this was going to be a full-size product. It says it's SS485 long-lasting setting spray. Your favorite matte setting spray is in a travel size. Okay, I'm going to do my last full size, which I believe was my choice, and it is the Nomad X Tuscana palette. And that is what the box looks like. And I love the Nomad products. They did a Berlin Underground collaboration with Nomad, and it was fantastic. I still use that. I like it a lot. So when I saw this pop up, although it seemed a little warm, I thought, you know what? I like the other one so much, I have to try it. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. And I love how they always seem to put a stamp into the powder so it has a different look. What is that though? I can't tell. Somewhere between a lock and key and maybe a, oh, you know what? It's probably a Vespa. Is that a Vespa? Here, okay, perfect. Is that a Vespa like coming at you? That's what I think. Okay, let's swatch I'm just gonna swatch this middle row. That'll give us the feel for, oh my goodness, yes. The very creamy shimmer, a very nice and creamy matte, another matte, and this is Aperitivo, La Bella Vita, and Vin Santo. Those are very pretty. Oh yeah, those are gorgeous. I love that. I really enjoy the Nomad palettes. I don't think I've ever purchased one, but whenever I have the option to get them in one of my boxes, I always take the opportunity because they are just the prettiest. Now, I'm looking at that now, and it looks like it's a little chunky. I'm gonna put it back up again so you guys can see. It looked like it was a little chunky, but see how much better it is now? I just dug into the palettes too hard. They're very pretty. And it says, we're all in love with this collection of gorgeous Italian-inspired eyeshadows. From rich wine to baked terracotta, each one of the shades are reminiscent of the Tuscan countryside. La vita bella. And it says it has a $27 value. Just for the record, I would have said that you only had 2 shimmers in here, but they say that there are 9 palettes and that there are mattes, satins, and shimmers. I don't think I know the difference between a matte and a satin then, because these 2 are clearly shimmery and the rest of them just look matte to me. I don't know. They're very pretty. I'm gonna love that. Okay, I'm at the point with this box where I'm just gonna go ahead and say, I give up. I can't tell what is supposed to be what. I'm gonna try and let you know down here, or if it gets to be too big a story, I will let you know down in the description what I should have had and what I got in instead. Because here in front of me, I have 6 full-size products. And with the Ipsy Glambag, you're guaranteed 8. Now, I know there's one, they said, oh, my finger's so helpful. There's one that I knew they couldn't send, that CBD hair mask. So that's one, but in theory, I'm still missing one. And I could go downstairs and pull up all the info on my computer, but I'll just let you know right here. Something's missing and I don't know what it is. And I believe almost none of my samples match. Now, I have 5 samples and you're supposed to have 4. So I think in the mix-up of rebuilding the bag, they gave me 1 too many samples and 1 too few full-sized. I think I have to let it go because it was November and we moved on to December and they're stopping Ultimate anyway. And I definitely have $50 worth of value. So I will let you know here or down below what it was supposed to be and where we ended up. But in review, what I believe were my full-size products were the Nomad x Tuscana eyeshadow palette, the Cottage Greenhouse facial serum, which I'm surprised I'm not using that every day actually. I think probably I forgot about it. I mean, I know that's a blessing that I'm receiving so much stuff that I forgot I even had that. But in reading the box about it, it sounds like something that I absolutely need to use. We got the Laboratory Filorga Optimize, that's gonna get rid of my dark circles. The Milk Makeup Matcha Green Tea Cleanser and Exfoliant, the MAC Sweet Sakura Lippie that I loved, and the Illamasqua Just Glaze. It's just a clear lip glaze. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that is 6 products, and that is absolutely all that I have that is full-sized. For samples, I got the Nanette Lepore Perfume Sample, the IT Gel Moisturizer, the Douce Chromatic Highlighter, which in all fairness, I don't know how much this is. This isn't on my list. It's not something I was supposed to get, but I find it really hard to believe that in the Ultimate bag, they sent me an uncased, no, I don't believe this is full-sized. The Fix It Up travel-sized Koki Cosmetics Mini Matte Setting Spray. And I got 1 of 3 Midflower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Masks. Technically, if this had been 3 masks, it would have had a $15 value. And I guess perhaps they could have thought that that was full-sized. We'll see. And then we got the bag. And I actually do kind of like the Ultimate bag because it does have a suede feel to it. All right. So this is in theory the end. No, it's not the end. This is not the end. Because while it is November, this is my November box. So we will have a December Ultimate. All right, guys. I have just talked for like the last 50 minutes on this, and I am really, after promising in the beginning a shorter video, I'm really hoping that I've edited this down. Thank you so much for coming by. I would still absolutely recommend Ipsy. I have said from the beginning, you know, they've had a little trouble with sourcing, I think. I think that with COVID going on, there is a lot going on out there where people are having troubles. Of their boxes, I think the Ultimate wasn't their best. That said, I think they know it, and I think that's why they're quitting it. It was something that they tried. I don't think that it was working. I think that it was difficult with so many of us doing all 3 bags to continue to promise us that there would be no overlap between any of the bags and we'd never have repeats. I mean, if you think about it, that's 12, 17, that's 22 oh, I don't even like that I just did that math, but that's 22 products every single month. If you got all 3 bags that they're sending you and supposedly they can do no repeats, that had to be hard. I'm the first one to admit that had to be difficult. I mean, in 4 months, that's 100 products. I have to quit with this math now. Okay, I have to leave. I have to quit thinking about the math of all of that. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I hope you had a fantastic day. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care and happy holidays, guys.